Hello everybody, it's, what day is it? It's Tuesday. I've just left work and I've met Paul down at the plot. Excuse me, there's a plane going over. It's really warm and sunny. So I'm on the camera, on the phone, I can't even speak, I'm so warm. I'm on the phone, so apologies if the picture isn't up to its usual filming standard. I hope you can hear me, because the sound isn't great on this either. So we're down at the plot and I met Paul after work. Look at these beans. I met Paul after work and the aim is to dig up some potatoes for dinner. So we're going to see. This is our first time we've dug any potatoes up, so we're going to see if there's anything happened, if there are actually any potatoes. So here we are, the first reveal. It's quite exciting to see if there's going to be anything in there. So let me come round this way. Sorry to swing you round too quickly. I'm trying to go slowly with this camera because it's not got a stabilization on there. So here we go. Let's have a little look. Oh, there are potatoes.
There's a few.
Oh, and what variety are these, Paul?
These are, I can't remember. Aaron.
Well, they've got a red skin. Oh, look, there's babies there. Look, we're going to come.
Yeah.
They sort of failed babies.
Yeah. They're certainly not going to grow anymore.
No. Oh, lovely. Wow. Oh, yeah, and another one.
You can see how dry.
Excellent. It's very dry, yeah.
Well, that's not bad.
Well, that's great. You're going to do another one? Yeah, and another one. Let's see. Oh, yay.
Oh, I'm pleased with that.
Oh, that's great.
I'm sure some people will say if we plant these smaller ones, plant this again, these are likely to grow a bit. But I just think it's so dry.
It is
at the moment.
I know.
I mean, everywhere, not just here.
Yeah. Well, that's certainly enough for dinner, isn't it? Certainly enough for dinner. And probably lunch tomorrow as well as potato salad. Yeah, absolutely. Wow.
So this is from doing what Dad used to do, which is just planting them in a hole.
Yeah. Great.
But, yeah, I think that's it.
Apart from the one that you just spiked.
Look.
Don't be spiking them all.
No.
Okay.
There we are.
Great. Well, that's dinner and lunch tomorrow from the ground.
So pleased with that.
Lovely.
So we've got another. That's 2 plants.
So
I think we've got another
quite a
18
few.
Plants.
Quite a few in this bed. And then there's that bed as well, isn't there?
Yeah, but that bed, they just haven't done.
Have you tried digging any up?
Well, should we have a go?
Well, I think we should look. I think we should look. See if anything's happened. I mean, this bed... Oh, go away, planes! God. So this bed's looking very sorry for itself, but we're going to try anyway. Oh. A few.
These look almost like earlies,
Yeah.
but they're not.
No.
So that's pretty
Oh dear.
poor, really.
Yeah.
These never really got going.
No.
I'm not really sure why, but they never really got going.
No.
But look, there's
Well,
a few.
there's a portion.
But these are late, and I think it's just not enough water.
Maybe. Well,
Anyway,
so are we harvesting anything else for dinner?
I think it's worth just looking at the beetroot. I've never been able to grow beetroot. Never bulbed up. And
So
then
this is the beetroot.
This is the beetroot. And Charles Dowding said to multi-sow in modules and then put them in.
And you've done that. Good.
Look.
Yeah, I can see.
There, but there. A few there. So
Yeah.
they're starting
Good.
to... They're Chiogga.
Chiogga.
Red and creamy stripes.
Okay, so anything else? Do you need salad?
Carrots at the other plot.
Are you picking salad?
No, but we can have a look.
Well, we looked at it the other day, didn't we? I don't think people need to look at your salad again.
Well, that's why...
Are we going en route?
No, because I'll need to bring the... oh yeah, we could.
Yeah. No point in doubling back. God, it's hot. Look at these buddleias. Well, he's sorting himself out. Look at these buddleias coming out. Beautiful. The buddleia in our garden's not doing very well at all, but this one's a pale lilac. And this one over here is a really deep, beautiful colour. You see that? Gorgeous, lovely, and it's going to be covered, absolutely covered.
That's the dark buddleia, obviously.
Well, that's what I've just said, Paul. Okay, so let's see.
So we've got
Hold on. Let's have a look. So whether we can just see in there. Yeah, okay.
I don't
so
know
you're gonna
how
have
big
a look.
these are.
Oh, let's see. Oh.
Oh.
Oh, you had two. They're quite okay. They were sort of embraced, aren't they? Oh, they're not bad.
Not bad.
Nice colour.
These are just Chantenay nonce.
Okay.
Can you try that one?
Yeah, why not?
Is that...
Hello.
See you.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, they look good.
So we'll cover that one up. We've got a mushroom there.
Oh, a mushroom.
So fine, that'll do
Might
us
have been a magic mushroom.
That'll do us for supper.
Will it? Just 4? Yeah, I think that's better. There we go. So that's tonight's dinner picked. Yay! And I think I mentioned the other day that I was doing petunias in the front. So as you can see, here are the petunias, and they're doing very well as well. There's 2 colours, a pale blue and, or sort of pale purple and a sort of deeper purple. There we are. I don't know whether you remember, I planted the window boxes back in May, I think it was. Well, there they are. Looking good. Full of flowers. And what I did was I removed all the flowers that were coming when I planted them, to enable the leaves to develop a bit. And then I just let them flower. And they've gone mad. So there we go. Thanks for watching.